The print-on-demand (POD) market is indeed experiencing rapid growth, driven by various factors. Here are some key reasons contributing to its growth. 1. E-commerce boom. The rise of e-commerce has led to an increase in online sales, and POD allows businesses to quickly and efficiently produce customized products without holding inventory. 2. Customization and personalization. POD enables consumers to design and customize products with their names, initials, photos, or messages, making each product unique and increasing customer satisfaction. 3. Digital printing technology. Advances in digital printing technology have improved the quality and speed of production, making it more feasible for businesses to produce small batches of customized products. 4. Rise of dropshipping. Dropshipping, a business model where products are shipped directly from the manufacturer to the customer, has gained popularity. POD is a key component of dropshipping, allowing businesses to print products as they are ordered. 5. Growing demand for sustainable products. Consumers are increasingly seeking eco-friendly products, and POD allows for the production of customized products using sustainable materials and minimal waste. 6. Expanding product offerings. POD is no longer limited to traditional products like t-shirts and mugs. The market is now offering a wide range of products, including home decor, accessories, and even 3D printed items. 7. Growth of niche markets. POD is catering to niche markets such as gaming, sports, and hobbies, which are driving demand for customized products. 8. Increased adoption in various industries. POD is being adopted across various industries, including fashion, sports, and entertainment, which has contributed to its growth. 9. Government support and initiatives. Governments are promoting entrepreneurship and innovation, which has led to an increase in funding for startups and small businesses in the POD industry. 10. Globalization. The growth of e-commerce has led to increased globalization, allowing businesses to reach a wider customer base and tap into new markets. According to a report by Grandview Research, the global print-on-demand market is expected to reach USD 1.3 billion by 2025, growing at a CAGR of 12.4% during the forecast period. The report highlights the increasing demand for customized products, advancements in digital printing technology, and growing adoption in various industries as key drivers of the market's growth.